Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to delete a Telegram chat on your Android device. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate the chat that you want to delete. Long press on the chat to bring up additional options. Step 3. Look for the delete icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a trash bin or a dustbin. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. If you want to delete the chat for the other person as well, you have the option to mark it for deletion. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. Step 5. Finally, tap on Delete Chat to confirm your action. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation, so make sure to confirm your decision. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the Telegram chat on your Android device. It's as easy as following these simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.